Hello guys, so we have a MacBook Air which is 2017 and it's not turning on. Okay, let's check with our DC power supply and 150 amps is taking and there is no light here. See, it should be green or yellow, but there's no, and pressing the power button nothing happens, it just stays the same. So let's remove the back panel and then we will check what's wrong with this one. Okay, now looking at the board, to me it looks clean, but there is a plastic here. What it's doing here? Nothing. Okay, so let's do some measurements. Okay, first of all we have to check if nothing wrong this I/O board. .5. That's not correct. We should have 14.8 here. Is it just this I/O board which is faulty? Okay, could be. We don't know. Let's just do a little bit of inspection under the microscope. Okay, that all looks okay to me. Why we are not getting 14.8 on DC jack here? Okay, let's remove this cable which is connected to the main board, and maybe if there is a short which is coming from the board that we can and then connect the DC jack again. Still no light and exactly the same 150 amps it's trying. So let's check again here. Oh, now we have got 14. Okay, we got 14.8, which is correct. And as soon as we connect this, now even after connecting this, now we have got 14.7, 14.8. Okay. So I will show you here. See, we got 14.8 here. Now the next thing I would like to do is to just check some measurements here and there. Is it G3 hot? Okay. And beside that there is no 3.3, there is no 5 volt rail is present. So that means we have to remove the board and check the other side, huh? Okay, now we will look at the other side of the board. Okay. Okay, first thing here. We have got a little bit of moisture damage here. This is the BIOS chip. Anything else? Yeah, rest of the board looks okay to me. Only this problem here. Okay, let's open the board view and check what line on this cap is. Okay, so let's say U5000 and these ones here. What line are these? 1.2. Okay, SMC. Oh, come on, stay there. Okay, first of all we will check if you have got G3 hot present here, and we have got 1.2 here, huh? So I removed that subboard. And we will check. The reason behind I see we are not getting 3.3 and 5 volt line, it's not even, system is not even turning on. Okay, so and that was somewhere here. Let's check what we have here. They are pretty small. I have to go under microscope, huh? Okay, do you think the cleaning will do the job? I don't know. Yeah, we have got 0.3 here, whereas it should be same 0.5, 0.2 here, and 2.9 here, which is not correct. 2.9 here and 2.9 here. Next thing I would like to do is to check if any short here. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a clean. But why clean? You know, maybe one of them is gave up. Why not just remove it? Okay, I will check last time, otherwise we will remove, huh? Yeah, still short. Maybe short is coming from the IC, we don't know, but I will remove this one. Okay. One. And 2. Check now. Come on, make my life comfortable. No short, no short, no short. So that was, looks like the problem. Now we have to make sure we have to clean the oxidation, any rust from here, and put new capsters, and then see how it goes. Okay, now the next thing I would like to do is to check if we have restored the 1.2 volt line. Is there any change on? Yeah, do you see? It's actually turning on now. It's actually turning on now. So let's put it here. Yeah, we have got, do you see 1.2 here, 1.2 here, and 3.4 here. So I will find these two caps and solder them, and then we will check if we have got the display and it's finally turning on. Now the next thing is we will connect DC jack and see how it goes. As you can see, it's turning on. Fan is spinning. So that means that was the problem. Now we will put it in the housing and see if we have got the display. Hi there. Okay. I think we just need LCD connectors. Okay, and see, do you see light turns on the MagSafe, and yep, we got the display. It's all working fine, and it's trying the right amp. So that was the problem with the 1.2 volt line. It was shorted. 1.2 volt SMC line. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.